For this question we have the diagram shows two shaded shapes A and B. Shape A is formed by removing a sector of a circle with radius 3x minus 1 cm from a sector of the circle with radius 5x minus 1 cm. So this sector, the initial one, the big one, is 5x minus 1 cm, and the small one has a radius of 3x minus 1. Shape B is a circle with a diameter 2 minus 2x centimeters. If the diameter is 2x minus 2, the radius will be half of 2x minus 2, which is x minus 1. The area of shape A is equal to the area of shape B. Find the value of x. I'll start with B because it's a simple circle, and to find the area of a circle we'll use pi r squared. And for area of a sector, I'm going to use, again, pi r squared because it's part of a circle, except because I have this sector, it's going to be 45 out of 360. And here, 45 out of 360 is 1 out of 8 times pi r squared. So the area of shape B is equal to area of shape A. So here the area will be pi times the radius x minus 1 squared, and on this side I'm going to do the whole area of sector A and take away the small area inside, the small area of this sector. So the whole sector would be 1 out of 8 times pi, and the radius for the whole line will be 5x minus 1, so 5x minus 1 all squared. Take away this small sector, so that's 1 out of 8 times pi times 3x minus 1 all squared. Now I notice I've got pi in all three terms, so I could divide the whole line by pi. So divide by pi, divide by pi, divide by pi, and then I get rid of it. I'm left with x minus 1 squared on this side, and here I have 1 out of 8, and then I'm going to collect this. That will be 5x minus 1 all squared. Take away 3x minus 1 all squared. I can multiply by 8 on both sides to get rid of this fraction. That will give me this 5x minus 1 all squared. Take away 3x minus 1 all squared is equal to 8 into x minus 1 all squared. Now I expand. So I've got this 25x squared minus 10x plus 1, and then I keep the minus on the outside. 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 8 into x squared minus 2x plus 1. I'll expand this out. That will give me minus 9x squared plus 6x minus 1 is equal to 8x squared minus 16x plus 8. I start tidying up. 25 take away 9 is 16x squared. Negative 10 plus 6 is a negative 4x. Plus 1 take away 1, cancel out, is equal to 8x squared minus 16x plus 8. Now that I have a quadratic, I bring everything to one side, make it equal to 0. 16x squared minus 8x squared minus 4x plus 16x minus 8 is equal to 0. I tidy up. So 16 take away 8, 8x squared. A negative 4 plus 16, 12x. Minus 8 is 0. And from here I can divide everything by 4. That will give me 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is 0. I can factorize. So 2x and x. So 2x minus 1 plus 2 is 0. So my two answers for x are x is equal to a half and x is equal to a negative 2. Now if you notice the first part of your diagram you have 2 times x, and this is a length. So if I was to take x as a negative 2, my answer would be minus 4, and I can't have a negative length, So I reject this and I accept this. Your answer here is x is equal to a half.